I'm headed to the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, just west of Montrose Harbor and the 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly, full-amenity, new 811 Uptown. I'm looking at the entry foyer of Unit 1213, which is wide enough for a hall console table or an armoire. It's about a 6-foot wide closet. And the bath is off to the right as you would have entered, but I'm going to come back to that since there's also an entry from the bedroom. Kitchen has good cabinet and counter space. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Dark brushed cabinets on one side, white lacquer look on the other, contrasting white and gray quartz counters, 4-burner gas range, 42-inch upper cabinets, built-in microwave, a dishwasher, of course, and a very wide, deep farm-style sink with a gooseneck faucet. There's pendant lighting, plank flooring you're looking at, and high ceilings continue throughout the unit. All of the windows have roller blinds. And you're looking here out toward the west. It has some great sunset views. View down on the oversized pool deck. Looking out toward Target and the CTA, short walk away. Julasco, just over a block away. And the Uptown Theater and Entertainment District, also within walking distance. It's a very spacious living dining area here. You can easily seat 4 at the breakfast bar. Heading into the bedroom, space for a king size or a larger bed. Nice nook over here for a chest of drawers or even a home office. And again, wide windows on the wall with roller blinds. Bedroom opens through a sliding pocket door into a laundry area on one side with a front-loading full-size stacked washer-dryer. Hanging space on the other side. Flowing into the bath, which has a wide vanity, 2 banks of drawers for storage, an unusually good amount. Great designer light frame mirror, and a rain shower head above the soaking tub. 811 has amenities that are well above and beyond anything you're going to find in the Uptown area, and rivaling anything you're going to find in new construction in downtown Chicago. You really should have 811 on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.